Kawasaki Ninja 650R. No, this is an 08, which was converted to a cafe racer. We're going to be doing an oil change on this one. So we have actually a 07 here. Alright, you're going to need 2 quarts of oil, an oil filter, and that's all you need for this bike. So you're going to need a 17 millimeter. Do have the bike on the rear stand, so actually that oil looks way better than I thought. I can actually see it, huh? It's pretty gold, actually. Very, very surprised. Actually pretty good. Very, very good. Right there, so you guys want to, honestly, as soon as you take that bolt off the drain plug, just take this off the cap. Makes it drain easier. So put the drain bolt back. Should be good by now. If you got a new crush washer, get a new one. I always put a new one on there. Alright, so you want to torque this drain bolt to 22 pounds. Next, we're going to take off the oil filter. That doesn't work for shit, does it? Work for shit at all. I'm going to try to use this fucking thing. Some fucking idiot tightened it too much. That's fucking a cheap ass filter in there. That's not looking good. What the fuck? I'm supposed to just hand tighten that shit. Well, I already got a hole in it. Looking right. behind you guys. I'm trying to do this without whacking the camera. Most people will probably take it apart and cut the camera. I'm trying not to do that. I'm definitely going to remove these. This muffler wrap. Such a bad idea. This causes condensation and rust. Alright. And there we go, right? Yeah, all over the fucking thing anyway. See? Stupid. That oil was actually not bad. Very surprised. Very, very surprised. Alright, you want to do is grab a little oil, put it around the filter seal right there. And no torque specifications, just hand tighten it. You don't have to Hercules it, just hand tighten it and you should be fine. Alright, so we got our plug in, got our oil filter in. Now what we're going to do is fill her up with oil. So we have the 1040 synthetic, full synthetic for motorcycles. It says 1.9, 1 quart, 0.9, but that's if you're not replacing the filter. So it takes about 2 quarts. If you're not sure, if you do replace the filter and you're not sure, just check your window here. So like I said, I do not the whole quart, but I leave a little bit at the end there. Let's say about up to the 8 ounces. About like right there, about 4 ounces left. So let's do that. So as you can see, it's slowly going down. It's just because it just filled it up, right? And plus the oil filter is not getting, it's not full of oil yet. So once you start the bike up, then everything there should be sucked into the filter. Just get this a little clean up, make sure there's no drippage anywhere. I also have the bike on a rear stand. If you guys look, I'll move the camera so you guys can see. I have the stand on it. A little mess here. Let's put our cap back on. Okay. Let's start up our bike. Move the stuff here. Make sure the bike is level. You guys can see it's right about yay. It needs the rest of that 2 quart, so we're gonna reapply that. Not a big deal. Let's reapply that. Yeah, so it looks like it takes, I would say with the new oil filter, 2 quarts. I'll take it for a little spin down the street and then see if that level's about where it needs to be. Okay. Okay. Bring it down again. Definitely much better. Looks like 2 quarts it is. All right. And that's it, folks. Thanks for watching and hope this helps you out. And don't forget to like and subscribe and throw some comments up on there.